Friday, January 17th. Today is a continuation of Thursday's lesson since we had a late start, and today's an early release. So we're still in the Populations and Resources unit. We're continuing lesson 3.2 where we left off yesterday. The standard we're still meeting is we gather evidence from the article Jelly Population Explosion and from the digital model to understand how populations that compete for the same resource can affect one another. We'll spend most of our time in the digital model today, or the simulation they call it. We've met our outcomes when we've actively read the article Jelly Population Explosion. We've used the simulation to identify where competition is occurring. I've identified an example of competition affecting the jellies, and in Food Web model, I can identify where you see competition. Not knowing exactly where you left off yesterday, the agenda includes both yesterday and today. So we should have completed the warm-up for today's lesson. That's 3.2 again, step 1. We've had a chance to read or reread the annotated article, which is step 2. We're exploring competition in the simulation, which is step 3. We're going to examine a food web for competition, which is step 4. And then step 5, finishing the homework section, which is the largest portion of the lesson. You probably will finish before the end of the period, which means you can continue on to lesson 3.3 if you feel comfortable with the material. You could help others around you, but you might also check that you have everything completed so far by going to the My Work section in your Amplify menu. So you go to the top left, on the 3 bars, you click on it, you click on the icon My Work, and you go to Populations and Resources, look at all of Chapter 1 and all of Chapter 2 to make sure that everything is handed in. And that's our week.